Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Btech Khaka. In this video, I will explain two MNC companies job opening and I will share you the job links in the description of this video. And before starting the video, I kindly request you to please do subscribe. There are only 27 subscribers are there. If you make 50 subscribers, I will share you the important PDF, and in that PDF there are top 100 coding questions along with solutions also. There are three multiple solutions, which means in the Python language and C and as well as CPP language solutions are there in that PDF. And back to the video. Before starting the video, I kindly request you to please do subscribe. And back to the video, there is a hiring from Accenture. They are hiring for a job recruiting new associate. They clearly mention that 0 to 2 years experience candidate can apply, and 2025 and 2024 passed out students also can apply easily. And the job location is Bangalore guys, and it is a full time. And they did not mention any other things. I have a small doubt. They at the top of this experience 0 to 2 years and year 0 to 1 year of experience. Why this? You have to mention clear, right? The Accenture is a good company. There is a small mistake, I think. Guys, you can apply whatever it will happen. And that's enough guys from this job opening. And next is from HCL Tech. Guys, who are eligible for this drive? They clearly mention at second point who are passed out on 2024 and 2025 and 2026 students can apply easily, and the basis 60% and above percentage students can apply. And they clearly mention at the fourth stage 12 months of agreement will there. If you break the agreement, you will pay 50k to organization, which means you have to pay 50,000 to the HCL Tech company. And the job location is multiple guys, did not worry about it. Lucknow, Nagpur, Madurai and Vijayawada. I think HCL Tech is not there in the Vijayawada. Okay, I am thinking that not perfectly, and they mentioned right. And that's enough guys. The role is global service desk, and I think the package is around 3 to 5 LPA. And before applying to this company, make sure that update your resume with most skills, Python, CPP and other some skills. That's enough guys from this video, and please do subscribe guys, it will helpful to me and as well as you too also. And have a nice day guys. I will see you in the next updated video. Thank you for watching.